everyone, Gagajoy at Gagajoy's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making something that you probably have never seen made before, an egg sandwich. No, it's a new way to make an egg sandwich. You know, there's an old saying, there's nothing new under the sun. Probably isn't. But today we're going to, my granddaughter showed me how to do this a couple months ago, and I've done it, and actually it works very well. It's very cute. Just take your bread. Well, no, first of all, you put the egg down here. Then you put your bread. Then you put another piece of bread there, and let it cook. And now I put 2 tablespoons of butter in there before it started. And so we're just going to let it cook, and then I'll show you what happens as it goes on. A little bit of salt and butter on it, and salt, pepper. Oh, that's not working. Actually, it's just something cute, you know. If you're watching this in the evening, it might make you something to cook in the morning for breakfast, or it's a cook till it gets good and brown on that side. Seems like there's fads that kids go through that they pick up on, and this was hers, and she thought it was so funny. I think it was on TikTok, or is that what the little program is? Actually, it works out pretty good. You just have to keep the egg. Now, when it spreads out a little bit, so put it back in the middle like that. It's getting that way. Lay that in the middle. And then it's sort of like flipping something, which would be like when I flip this. And you know what? The other day I was thinking, you probably can make an omelet out of it by putting onions and green peppers in it, but this basically is just a plain old cheese sandwich. I mean, egg sandwich with cheese. Either one, I guess, would work. Nope, still gotta cook some more. It needs to be good and brown. That way it's going up through it and getting good and done. And I'm going to put cheese and tomato on it. You don't have to put anything. A lot of people just like cheese sandwich, I guess. I prefer tomato. I'm not real keen on cheese on the tomato sandwich. Okay, still gotta go. I think it's good to have something new every now and then to do. Well, I don't know about that. Looks like it's, maybe I'm messing with it too much. Okay, now I guess I'm going to try to flip it. So let's see how brown it is. That was just wonderful. I don't know why this one's not getting good brown. So that's good. Okay, here we go. my spatula's big enough if I got the dexterity to do it. Aha, I did. Okay. Now, on this, we're going to put the other, let's give the other side about a minute to cook. And then we're going to put tomato and cheese on it. I guess probably I should put two pieces of cheese, one on each side. Yeah. Tomato. I had to slice it a little bit thinner than the other was. That's going to burn on me if I don't get it out now. Okay. Well, it's not the prettiest one I ever made, but it's still a good cheese sandwich, I'm sure. This out of the way here and cut it in two and show you how pretty it is on this side. I hope you try this for breakfast someday. You know, also, I'm thinking that's just a good way to do French toast. That's almost the same thing, yeah. See? And there's your breakfast. Kids love it that way too. Well, that was very simple and it was silly, but anyway, it worked, and my granddaughter will be happy. So, remember the joy this week, and be thankful for every day we have. Take care of yourself. Subscribe, ring that bell up there for me. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.